Otu call Grenada or call Sababa Dosono. Where they are near this Semeka, better Semeka. By the Ashanti tradition and custom. No. Occasion be a call ye be an tomorrow fry be an umfrada.
What is the all con ultimate fan to our friend uncle?
Debbie!
I say to Mamma.
Debbie, occupant of the golden stool. Occasion, I say to Mamono, into a bedi, Obeko, occasion a biasancrea. Mono biasa. That is the Ashanti tradition, that is the Ashanti costume. So when you hear people say Asante and Manhyia, and you cannot ke emu do Asante and Manhyia. At a material time now, I'll call Baba Dawson in the Grenada. No, now Kuntanase. Well, any Kokofu, that's what Oti region. Kuntanase, any Kokofu, Beko Oti region. Na Oti, Worawora, the Kwako, or Hene Kwako, Okosu Achelen in Krofo. So Kuntanase and Kokofu should be present. Tiasem yo. One baby Worawora, Oti region.
Yeah.
So at the very day now, Asante for enter a canton crunchinum ne Dwaben hene ene bompata hene no mo Grenada ne Beba Dosono. Na Asante ahemfo no so binum so Worawora. This is one traditional setup. This is one traditional setup. So you talk about, and no, it is their achievement. Aya wamo nananom na wamo achieve na mitire ha ene me estolo. So that is the history.